Today is test day. I am gonna test. Darn it. Why didn't I sound off? I'll go to Mega Blasters and see what's wrong.
Stop being so cynical, or I won't fix your rotator. Dude, I wanna test. Aren't you supposed to help me? Go shut up. You think you're so smart? Then why do you go to jail?
Yeah, dude. You're supposed to be in prison right now. You're going back to jail. I am gonna use my teleportation powers to teleport you to your cell.
No.
Anyways, I couldn't sound off during testing today.
It seems that all the other Whelens are having the same problem. They're all sitting over there. I'm gonna take a look at your control box to see if one of your amplifiers has blown. Oh wow. All your amplifiers have blown. You're gonna need a new control box.
Oh no. Just out of curiosity, do you have any Whelen control cabinets?
No. We ran out a week ago when 2000 R's control box exploded after getting struck by lightning. Speaking of which, hello. How may I help you?
My amplifiers exploded.
Oh. Well, you're gonna need a whole new control box.
Well, what control cabinets do you have?
We have Federal Signal Ultra Voice, ETI, and American Signal Controls.
Shouldn't you have gotten a shipment from Whelen Engineering?
Their shipment has been delayed due to bad weather.
Oof. Can you hook us Whelens up to Ultra Voice controls?
Yeah. Who wants to go first?
Me. I got rid of my antenna so 1003 wouldn't ruin it, but she ran into my control box instead and it exploded.
I will go next. When ATI sounded off, his tone was so annoying and high-pitched. I tried to drown him out, but his tone caused my control box to explode. When I tried to sound off, I will go after 4004. T50 put a firecracker in my control box, causing it to explode.
After Chrysler farted and
Shut up. You don't need to tell me what happened.
okay geez.
Alright 2810. You're up. Now I need you to test. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. All done.
So cool. I can do alternate whale. Look.
I can do that too.
Let's go get a Tempest Cola. Hey, what do you say? Not again. Let's go to Federal Signal headquarters and brag about our new controls.
Good idea. Who's there? Oh, hey, Whelen. What brings ya here?
Me and the other Whelens have something to say to you.
Okay. Fire away.
We just got new controls.
And they're a lot better than yours. Okay. Listen up, pal. Those controls are ultra voice. So, those are literally controls that we make.
We don't care.
Guys, it doesn't matter. It'll never make you louder. And even if it did, it wouldn't beat my intense roar.
Nobody asked. Bucket.
Shut your f***ing mouth, you f***ing hockey puck tower.
Go back to jail, you trash compactor. And even if we can't beat your intense roar, I know someone who can. What is it, Whelen?
Oh look, it's a train engine with horns.
Hey. Don't you dare call me that, you trash compactor.
What's that smell? Oh yeah. It's the smell of your outdated gassy engine.
You both shut up. And as for you P-50, you're going back to jail. Good riddance. Anyways, we have better controls than you.
Shut up. All of our sirens are replacing you. I wouldn't be surprised if a 2001-130 replaced you right here right now.
Hello. I am here to replace you.
Don't even try that.
I'm a fire in my leg.
Guys, stop your fighting. We all know that American Signal Corporation makes the best sirens. Shut the frack up, you ETI. Dude. I am not an ETI. I am an E-Class.
Dude. This is the third time you broke out of prison. Do I have to put laser bars in your cell?
No, please don't.
Today has been a crazy day. Let's go home.
Yeah. Let's all go home. It's getting late. Let's go to bed, Vortex.
Heck yeah.
It's test day again. I hope I can actually sound off this time. That was a good what was that? Oh crap. My controls. I gotta go to the repair shed.
Hey Whelen. How can I help you?
Isn't it obvious?
Yeesh. That looks like a nasty blow. I'm gonna take a look at your control box to see if one of your amplifiers has blown. Oh wow. All your amplifiers have blown. You're gonna need a new control box.
Do you have Whelen controls this time?
Yes. Here. Let me get it. There. They're installed and ready to go.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey. Why the long face?
I lost my cool and awesome controls.
Well, us Whelens are the only electronic sirens that can do the air horn signal.
You know what? I might feel a little better sounding off an air horn.
Let's do it together.